Hello everyone, Jawtooth here on the Jawtooth compound. It's kind of dusty today because they're doing the harvest. We got a 105-acre farm here and we lease out about 63 acres for corn and soybeans. And today they're harvesting the soybeans. So check it out. Go ahead and start the video, son. Soybeans are used in all kinds of food products, and it's also used for animal feed. Here, let's check it out and see what they look like. All right, that's fine, man. Oh, lost that one. Get another one. There you go. Like I said, I'm not really much of a farmer. I just own the land. I own about 105 acres. I lease out 63 acres, and they pay me once a year to lease the land. I've already been paid. I just cashed my check yesterday, so that was pretty good. Once a year and 63 acres, and it also keeps my taxes down low. If you farm more than 30 acres or a certain dollar amount in crops, then your land is considered agricultural and is taxed in the current agricultural use valuation program, CAUV, and it's a lot cheaper, let me tell you. Taxes are almost non-existent, so it helps a lot just to keep this thing farmed, to keep taxes down. So it's a pretty good operation. Go ahead and keep watching the video, son. Okay, let's see what the plants look like up close. Here they are. They're already dead, of course, all dried out, ready for harvest. Beans always do really good here on this farm. No matter what you hear in the news, we've never had any problems on our farm. There have been a few years where they've had to replant certain areas due to too much rain, or it's flooded out small areas when the season's first coming up. But that's about it. I mean, our crops usually do really good here. And our farm is actually considered a small farm for this area. There's hundreds of acres on the other side of my woods over there. The next field over has got about over 300 acres just in that one field. And this company here, Stalls, does the farming, and they do thousands of acres in this area. So mine is just a drop in the bucket. It's just a hobby farm. But it's kind of fun having some space to be able to do something on, and you can keep people away. There you go. They're having some kind of a problem back there. I hope to get this stuff done. It's just now starting to get dark, and it's going to be kind of hard to film if it gets dark. It doesn't take long to pick all this though. It only takes a couple hours to do my land. And I also have goats and sheep on my property. There's about 50 or 60, but they're not mine. I'll let my neighbor keep them on here. We just put new fences up for them. I have a horse, and I raise chickens, and I've got dogs, but that's about it. I'm just kind of a hobby farmer. Go ahead and keep running the video, son. There's more to come. Hey, check this out. Look at the pond here, the top of the water. See how all the dust from the soybeans have got the, I don't know, the whole top of the pond water just kind of scuzzy looking because of all the dust coming off the soybeans. Kind of interesting. And this right here is the grave site for Railfan Prince, the dog. I had that dog since he was just a little tiny, little bitty 1 foot thing, all the way to when he was about, I don't know, 13, 14 years old, and he died of cancer. And that's where he's buried, right there. But wait, there's more! There always is. Time for a random train video that I've never published before. Go ahead and start that one, son.
Can you get it rods down? Yeah, forward. Get it rods down.
See, folks, that's how a picture is made. Okay, everyone, thanks for watching. Looks like they had a little problem there at their combine. It broke down, so I'm not going to be able to film the rest. It's going to get too dark. But check this out. They chased out some deer. Anybody want to see what the deer tracks look like? There you go. Thanks for watching, and a shout out to Jason up there in Michigan. I want to get up there one of these days, do some rail fanning with you. See you later.